Kevin, you're not gonna do stand-up again until you do therapy, alright?
I'd like to thank you for meeting me in this Pan-Asian masseuse parlor.
Look, I'm only here because I'm on probation, because I bit that mailman, because I got hypnotized into thinking I was a dog, alright? Are you gonna keep bringing it up every 5 seconds? Is that what therapy is? I don't like it.
Kevin, let me ask you something. If you were a dog, where might you bury a statue? Front yard? Backyard? Side yard?
What are you writing over there?
Oh, nothing. Just grocery list. Bread. Milk. Crazy. Bread. Crazy. Straws. Crazy by Patsy Cline. Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. Crazy for crying. And I'm crazy for trying. How does that make you feel?
Nothing.
I didn't want to have to do this, but perhaps we should try some role reversal. You would become the therapist, and I would become the patient.
I get the clipboard?
And so much more.
Well, I'm just interested in the clipboard.
There you go. I'll need this as well. Right.
I always wanted to smoke a pipe. So what's wrong with you?
I'm feeling so insecure about my singing career.
Yeah, you're not very good.
Do you think there's any hope for me?
Well, with a case as extreme as yours, we might want to try this new thing they've been doing. It's called a role reversal. What do you think?
Role reversal?
Yeah.
Let's give it a shot.
Alright. Just crazy enough to work. Like you.
Excuse me. I've got to take this phone call.
What do you mean?
This is your cell phone.
Exactly.
Listen, do you know where the tiger's buried yet?
Not yet. I need more time, okay?
I need all my men on board here.
This guy's like a fortress. What do you want me to do?
This isn't cutting it. I gotta tell the Chinese candy thief something. Alright, just tell them.
That it's either in the front yard, the backyard, or the side yard.
Nah, it's just not good enough.
For henchman number 4, this isn't cutting it.
I've narrowed it down, alright?
I'll get it to you. Just give me more time. This guy's like a fortress.
This is really jamming up my heckle work, so I gotta get started on the itchy sticks.
Alright, I'm sorry, alright? I've been going through a divorce and...
It's been rough.
What? I can't hear you. You're breaking up. Hello?
Alright, I'll talk to you
Hello?
later.
Damn cell phone technology.
Love you. Okay, bye.
Oh, shit. Show where my keys. The janitor's nothing without his keys. I'm nothing right now. Holy shit. I gotta go. You know, pisses me off I'm not getting any credit for this. I tipped off the Laugh Inspector. I made the fake hypnotist coupon shit. I was the hypnotist. I got Kevin Chen into therapy. I cracked his head open. They still don't know where this tiger is. It's really jamming up my works. I lost my keys, I can't get into my shed. I can't get started on the itchy sticks where I put the itching powder on the sticks. It's my biggest heckler yet. I'm gonna put itching powder on these scratching sticks so that it fucks you as you're trying to relieve yourself and hand them out at the mall, you know? It's my biggest heckler yet, but I lost my keys, I can't get into my shed, the locksmith's a bastard, where's he? It's hard to find good help. I gotta save all this for the blog, I should really write this down.